I have here the default demo content, and when you import the demo content, you will get also this layout for the portfolio item. To find this layout, you need to go to dashboard, portfolios, and select item 1, edit with Elementor. Basically, I will create a template from the portfolio item 1 layout and reuse it again for the page. We'll click here Save Options, Save as Template, and let's say Portfolio 1 Layout. So basically now I have the Portfolio 1 layout saved as a template. Also I have here footer. I don't need that at the moment. I will exit to dashboard. What I have forgot to tell you is that you need first to update your themes. So please make sure you are using Fabius version 1.1. Now go to the new pages, add new page, and let's say this will be new page with portfolio layout, and I will publish this and edit with Elementor. Click here on this button, add template, my templates, and find your saved template, portfolio 1 layout, insert, yes. And after it is done, you will see the page title is visible here. To fix that, you need to go to the settings and select here Elementor full width page layout. So the title is removed. Update. Exit to dashboard, and now I have the new page with portfolio layout, which you can of course add in menu if you want to be as separated page. Here it is, save menu, visit the site, and here it is, new page with portfolio layout. When you click on that, you have this. It does not matter if you use demo 1 or demo 2, the process is the same.